Hello everyone. This is Miss Helen, the Youth Services Coordinator for the Columbus Public Library. Today we are doing our August Crafternoon crafts. Today we will be making an octopus and a jellyfish. Let's get started. So in each kit that you can come and take home, we'll have jellyfish and octopus craft instructions. We'll have 1 sheet of construction paper, 8 foam sticker dots, 1 triangle for the octopus mouth, and 2 googly eyes. We will also have 2 googly eyes for the jellyfish, a half circle for the mouth, and then some ribbons that will be the jellyfish tentacles. So what you'll need from home will be a pencil, scotch tape, glue, and scissors for this craft. All right, let's get started doing our jellyfish first. So first, you'll take your sheet of construction paper and you will fold it in half. You're going to fold it up towards the long end. Then you're going to turn it and only fold the bottom half. Don't fold the top half because we're going to use that later. But lining up your lines with the bottom half here, we're going to do another crease, another fold line. Okay, so see how it folds up and then a little bit over, but this part is not folded. All right, next we're going to cut each of these 2 squares in half, and this will be our tentacles. So we're only cutting to the fold line. We'll follow this fold line as well. And then we're going to cut this one in half too. All right. Well, how many tentacles does an octopus have? We're making octopuses first. It has 8, and we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we need to cut these again in half, but only to the fold line. So if you'd like, you can even use your pencil to draw lines to have evenly spaced out tentacles. But I just eyeballed it today. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tentacles. All right, so now we're going to turn it over so that it could almost make a tent. And next, we're going to take our pencil and we are going to roll the tentacles all the way up. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next we're going to roll the paper in and we're going to tape the bottom. one piece of tape like that along the seam. And we'll do another one up at the top. Starting to look like an octopus. Okay. So next, we will glue on our eyes. How's that looking? And then we're gonna do our octopus beak mouth. These are foam stickers, so you can just peel off the back. There's its mouth. Now, we've got our octopus suckers that we get to put on. And so, our octopus is complete. Great. Now, we're going to make our jellyfish. So, for our jellyfish craft, you'll have 2 cupcake liners. Some people will have more than one color. Some people will have only the same color. You've got 9, 10, or 11 ribbon pieces, a half circle for the mouth, and googly eyes. All right, so first decide which cupcake liner will be the main body. And then we're going to glue or tape ribbon pieces on top of it. Bit on top of our ribbons because we're going to glue down our second cupcake liner on top. So now we're going to take the sticker back off the mouth. And place it where we want it to go. I'm going to use it to cover up those words right there. Okay. Next, we're going to glue down the eyes to our jellyfish body. So now we have, oops, one of these came out. Make sure that you've got it all secured before you start playing with the tassels, with the, the ribbons. Now we have our two sea creatures, Jellyfish and Octopus. We hope you enjoyed this fun Crafternoon. We'll be back in September on September 21st with an online Crafternoon video and take and make kits. Thank you and happy reading.